If you use Hotmail for anything important, personal, work, or even gaming, verifying your account is one of the smartest things you can do. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your Hotmail account in just a few minutes using the updated 2025 process. It's quick, simple, and it instantly boosts your Microsoft account security. First, head over to the Outlook login page and sign in with your Hotmail credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage, your control center for emails, contacts, and everything else. From here, look for the My Profile section. Depending on your Outlook layout, it may appear at the top or on the left side of your screen. Click it and you'll be taken to a page with your account details and settings. Now, focus your attention on the security section. This is where all the tools for securing your account live. Click on security and you'll see an option for two-step verification. This is the key to verifying and protecting your Hotmail account. Go ahead and open the two-step verification page. You'll see an option to enable verification. Turn it on and Microsoft will ask how you want to receive your verification codes. In this walkthrough, we're going with the email method because it's the easiest and works perfectly for most users. Select the option to receive a code by email. Microsoft will immediately send a verification code to your registered address. Open your inbox, look for the email, and copy the code. Then return to the verification page and paste it into the field, provided hit confirm. And just like that, you've verified your Hotmail account and activated two-step verification. This extra layer of protection makes a huge difference. It reduces the risk of unauthorized access and keeps your personal information safer than ever. And that's it. You're all set. You've successfully verified your Hotmail account for 2025 and taken a big step towards securing your digital life. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to check out my other guides for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay secure.